Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sharmishuma, and today I'm going to share with you how you can remove your makeup easily without using any makeup remover. It's so important to remove your makeup proper way, otherwise it will cause pimple, acne and many other skin problems into your skin. So if you are interested to know how I do it, then keep watching this video. I tied up my hairs so that I can work properly, and to remove my makeup I am using a facial napkin. It's a one-time facial napkin. You can use any kind of facial napkin, towel or cotton to remove your makeup. At first I am removing my false eyelashes. Be careful when you remove it. Always start removing it from one side. To remove my makeup, first I am using virgin olive oil. If you don't have virgin olive oil, then you can use regular olive oil. Even if you don't have any kind of olive oil, then you can use coconut oil. I took a small amount of olive oil, one side of my napkin, and now with this napkin I am cleaning my all eye makeups, my eyeshadow, eyeliner and mascara. Look how beautifully and easily it removing all my makeups. After cleaning my eye makeup, now I am removing my eyebrows makeup. Also removing my liquid matte lipstick with it. Now I'm going to massage my whole face and neck with this olive oil where I applied makeup. After massaging my face and neck with the virgin olive oil, I wet my napkin with water, and now with this wet napkin I'm going to remove my all makeup. Next, I'm going to use cleanser milk to clean my face. So I'm putting some water all over my face and making it wet. After that, I'm taking cleanser milk. It's a pharmacy cleanser milk for oily skin. I'm taking some cleanser milk on my hand, and with this cleanser milk now I'm going to gently massage my face and neck. After massaging my face with cleanser, now I am cleaning my face with normal water. Now to remove the oiliness from my skin, I am using face wash. I am using ACNE face wash. Face wash will not only remove my oiliness from my skin, but it also clean the dirt and makeup from my skin. I'm using the face wash all over my face and gently massage it for 1 minute. and then I will wash it off with clean water. My face cleaning process is done, and now I'm going to pat dry my face with a soft towel. And I will wait for 1 minute so that my skin goes dry little bit, and then I will use toner. It has been 1 minute and now I'm going to use my toner. I'm using Lotus toner. I'm spraying it all over my face and then I will let it dry. It's very important to use toner after cleaning your face or wash your face. When we clean our face with cleanser or face wash, our skin pores get open. So to close that open pores, you have to use toner, or you can use ice to close that open pores. Otherwise, all the dirt will go into your open pores and it will cause acne, pimple and black hairs. So that's it. Our makeup removing process is done. And now my face is looking so clean and soft. After removing your makeup, now you can follow your regular skincare routine. If you are interested to know my skincare routine, then you can see this video. I will give the link of this video on my description box below. If you don't subscribe yet my channel, please subscribe and help me to grow. Hit this red button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I upload my new videos. So that's all for now. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.